VP sa yung complaint po sa kanya ni NBI over the
That's under review. Under review po.
under
Under review meaning may resolution na. It's pending review with the division head.
kailan po siya nasubmit for assessment?
I'm not sure. Alam ko po I'm not sure but late 2025.
Sir, may resolution na, meaning isasampa na lang bilang kaso?
Hindi po. May resolution na draft pero pending review pa rin. It's under review by the division head of that case.
Sir, tanong lang kasi recently bukat mo si VP Sara na magka-candidate po siya as president. Makaka-apekto po ba itong plano niya sa ano?
Hindi po. No. Whether or not VP Sara had announced her intentions to run for the presidency will not affect the assessment by the prosecutors of the pending case against her. That applies to any other individual. Whether or not express sila ng intention to file for certain position.
So yung pag-review po yung ganyan, may timeline po ba kayo?